Hey guys, this is Chris. I was just going to give you a couple tips here. So when you take your old brake off or your old rotor off, remember this plug needs to go in here like that, because I forgot to put that on and I had to take my tires off again. So I'm just trying to save you some time, but it's really easy. That's a 12mm bolt that'll disconnect this. Right here is a 14mm, and at the bottom 14mm, and then this one is a 14mm. You might have to, like, right here, use a screwdriver to push the brake pad away from the rotor. And then I recommend when you put this piece back on with the brake pads, only put on that side, because this side I was finding it was really difficult to try and have both brake pads on and then fit it over the rotor. So leave this one off until this caliper is actually on there, and then you can just set it in there. It's really easy. But guys, I got to tell you, this was like one of the easiest things I've done on a vehicle. I mean, you got to use a 8 metric bolt to pry the old rotor off. I got these, I think these were like $60 a pair from like Cheap Parts or something. Brake pads were maybe 20 bucks or something, I don't know. I got ceramic. I don't recommend getting cheap brake pads because you're just gonna burn through them. But anyways guys, that's all I wanted to share with you was about this plug. And this is really easy, 12mm, 14mm, and then I just need to pop your tire off. You're gonna need a clamp to compress the piston of the brake, but it's pretty easy guys, so have fun out there.